Yum, yum, yum!
Hi mga kayait! Ngayon ay magluto tayo ng tuna steak.
Yes! Gamit ang silic soy sauce.
Soy sauce.
At ang
Silic
ating-
soy sauce.
At saka ating silic vinegar. Ayan. Silic vinegar.
Silic vinegar.
At saka silic soy sauce.
Soy sauce.
Okay. Right, so, Mamat, salt.
Okay.
Kunting salt.
Ping, 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 ping. Ping.
Yes. Another salt.
Ping, 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 ping. Ping.
More pa, more. More.
Ping, 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 ping.
Ah, galing ah. Okay, tingnan natin ang black pepper. Uy! sorry, bigat pala. Okay. Aminta. Alright. Now, Mamat,
Yes.
you hold the strainer. Hold. Tingnan natin ang calamansi juice. This side. All over. All over. All over. Yan. Calamansi juice. Okay. Gamit natin ang ating Kids Home appliances.
Kids
Ito po, Kids Home. Ganda to. Friendly. Cooking oil, Baguio oil. Baguio oil. Yun. Okay, first is our Mamat
Yes.
garlic.
Garlic.
Garlic muna. Kunting oil pa. Nagawa lang tayo ng garlic chips.
Garlic chips.
Yes, hiwalay na natin garlic chips on the side. Slightly brown. Onion.
Onion.
Put the onion, Mama.
There.
There, yeah. Slowly, sige. Put here. Sige, don't be afraid. Sige, hagis. Yan. Ba't ka ba natatakot? Don't be afraid. Alright. Then, tignan natin ang ating tuna. Alright. Takpan natin. Then, lagyan natin ang kalamansi, yung kanyang katas. And then, ating silic soy sauce. A little bit of vinegar.
Vinegar.
Silic soy sauce vinegar.
Soy sauce vinegar.
Yes. Yan, okay. Alright. Bango ah. Bango, di ba?
Yes.
Alright, so, balik ka rin natin. There we go. Sarap. Yes. Nice. Alright, so
Wow.
Then last minute is our butter. Butter. Then off na natin. Off. Dito side. Off na natin. Off na natin yan. Para ganyan na siya. Alright, Mamat. Are you ready, Mamat?
Yes.
Ganda talaga pag may kids home, right? Mamat?
Yes!
Alright, so off na natin. Plating time. Mamat, give me the plate. That one. Yes. Very good, Mamat. Alright. 1.
2.
I like this one. I like the tuna.
Me too.
It's very nice. Tuna.
It already smells. I want to eat it.
Alright, a little bit. Silic soy sauce. Yun. Para lumabas ang kulay. Alright, then, Mamat, give me this spring onion.
Okay.
And give me this oregano. Yeah. Later, mamaya ping. Dito, this one. Put here. All together. Wow.
Wow.
Alright, so this one is the garnish.
Lemon.
Put first the sauce in the top.
Sauce.
Wow. Then the garlic chips on the top. Then the lemon. Okay, then wait lang. I have here.
Wow.
Okay, now
I want to eat it already.
you want to eat it? Okay, just do the ping. Come on. Okay. Go, ping.
Ping.
Hey! Ito na ang ating tuna steak with silic soy sauce and silic sauce vinegar. Siyempre naman with garlic chips and lemon butter sauce. Kain na.
It's my favorite part, tikiman time!
Yeah, tikiman na! Okay. Alright, so ito, this one for you. I will cut for you, Mamat. Yeah, this one for you, Mamat. Wow.
Yummy. Delicious.
Okay.
Yummy.
So, yun o. Yan ang gusto ko yan. Yan yung kulay. Sarap. Sarap talaga. Walang lansa. Because of the silic vinegar at saka silic soy sauce. Sarap. Mamat. Thumbs up. Alright mga kahayahay. Don't forget to
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.
Yeah, dito sa Kahayahay ng ating page. Kahayahay Official Vlog by Chef Bueno. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.